Today, we have something truly fascinating to dive into, the world of coconuts. Join us as we unravel the process of harvesting of this versatile fruit and explore its incredible processing. First things first, the daily task for the coconut harvesters is to identify the matured coconuts and harvest them. Use long bamboo poles with hooks attached to gently dislodge the coconuts from the tree. And there they go. The coconuts are now ready for the next step in the process. The coconut is a tropical fruit and is widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Once the coconuts have been harvested, the first step is husking the coconuts to remove the fibrous outer layer before they are transported to a processing facility. All the extracted outer husk of coconut, also known as coconut coir, will be sent to processing facility to turn into a sustainable hydroponic growing medium. Coconut coir can hold up to 10 times its weight in water, while still providing adequate drainage. This property makes it an ideal medium for gardening, especially for plants that require consistent moisture. It's great for seed starting, container gardening, and even as a component in potting mixes. Its light and fluffy texture promote healthy root growth and allow for excellent aeration. Here, they will undergo a process where they will be shredded to soften the husk. This process helps extract the coconut coir fibers. Then all the coir removed from the husk will be laid out, allowed to dry for an extensive amount of time, before brought into the factory, which are then compressed into convenient bricks or bales, for easy handling and transportation. It's a versatile and eco-friendly material that has been gaining popularity in gardening and various other applications. By utilizing coconut coir, we're reducing waste and making use of a natural resource that would otherwise end up in landfills. It's renewable, biodegradable, and environmentally friendly. The cocoa coir fibers will be compressed into blocks, bricks, or bales. Compressing the fibers into compact forms helps reduce their volume and makes them easier to handle. Did you know that coconuts are an essential ingredient in many cuisines worldwide? But before we can enjoy coconut milk, we need to see how they are processed into canned coconut milk. All the harvested coconuts will be transported to a processing facility, where the real magic happens. Here, they undergo a series of steps to transform them into the creamy, delicious coconut milk we all love. The first step in the process is cracking open the coconuts. Skilled workers used specialized tools to open the coconuts, revealing the white, fleshy interior. The white flesh, known as the kernel, is the key ingredient for coconut milk. Next, the kernels are grated to extract as much of the coconut meat as possible. Mechanical graters are used to increase efficiency. Once the coconut meat is grated, it's time for the pressing stage. In this step, the grated coconut meat is placed in a press to extract the smooth and silky consistency of coconut milk. This milk is rich in nutrients, healthy fats, and a delightful tropical flavor. Finally, the coconut milk is ready for packaging. It's carefully poured into sterilized can, ready to be distributed and enjoyed by coconut milk enthusiasts all over the world. The flavors, the aromas, and the incredible versatility make coconut milk a true culinary treasure. From savory curries to creamy smoothies and decadent desserts, coconut milk adds a unique touch to countless recipes. to extract the liquid gold we all love, the coconut oil. First, the shredded coconut meat will be dehydrated until it contains only 20% of moisture in it, before feed it to the pressing machine. The coconut oil pressing machine, also known as an expeller or screw press, plays a crucial role in extracting coconut oil from the coconut meat. These machines are specially designed to apply mechanical force to the coconut flesh to rupture the oil cells within the coconut meat, allowing the oil to be released. It can be bottled or placed in containers, ready to be distributed and enjoyed by consumers worldwide. Copper cake is the solid residue left behind after the extraction of coconut oil from dried coconut meat, also known as copra. It will be crushed and grinded to obtain a smooth and refined coconut flour, containing 18 to 25% protein and so much of dietary fiber. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the incredible world and its fascinating transformations.